Look up at the night sky. What do you see? On a clear night, the sky is a vast black canvas. Thousands of stars twinkle like celestial fireflies. It's a breathtaking sight. For centuries, humans have looked to the stars. We have wondered about our place in the universe. Stargazing offers a unique sense of wonder. It connects us to something bigger than ourselves. It reminds us of the vastness of space and the mysteries it holds. Each star holds stories from billions of years ago. Their light traveled light years to reach us. Gazing upon them is like taking a journey through time. Beyond their beauty, stars have played a crucial role in human history. For millennia, travelers, explorers, and dreamers have looked up at the night sky. They use the stars to navigate, tell time, and explore the unknown. Even today, in our technologically advanced world, the stars still hold a special allure. They remind us of the enduring human spirit of exploration and discovery. So, next time you find yourself under a clear night sky, take a moment to look up and lose yourself in the wonder. You might be surprised at what you discover. For centuries, sailors traversed the vast oceans guided by the stars. Celestial navigation, the art of using stars to find your way, is an ancient practice. Before compasses and GPS, stars were the most reliable navigational tool. The North Star, Polaris, was a beacon for navigators in the Northern Hemisphere. Its position remains nearly fixed. This allowed sailors to determine their latitude and maintain course on long voyages. In the Southern Hemisphere, constellations like the Southern Cross served a similar purpose. By observing the position and movement of these celestial bodies, skilled navigators could accurately determine their location and chart their course. Even today, celestial navigation remains a valuable skill. It is taught in naval academies and wilderness survival courses. This timeless practice connects us to the ingenuity of our ancestors. It reminds us of the power of observation and the elegance of natural navigation. Finding your way among the stars begins with recognizing constellations. These patterns of stars have helped people navigate and tell stories for centuries. One of the easiest constellations to spot is Ursa Major, the Great Bear. Look for a group of 7 bright stars shaped like a dipper. The 2 stars at the end of the dipper's handle point to Polaris, the North Star. Another prominent constellation is Orion, the Hunter. This constellation is visible in both the northern and southern hemispheres during different seasons. Look for 3 bright stars that form Orion's belt. From there you can spot his sword and shield. These are just 2 examples of the many fascinating constellations visible in the night sky. Learning to identify these patterns can enhance your stargazing experience. It deepens your connection to the cosmos and the history of human exploration. Stargazing is a rewarding experience that connects us to the wonders of the universe. To make the most of your stargazing adventures, here are some helpful tips. First, find a location away from city lights. Light pollution can obscure your view of fainter stars. Second, check the weather forecast. Clear skies are essential for optimal stargazing. Third, bring a star chart or use a stargazing app on your smartphone. These tools will help you identify constellations, planets, and other celestial objects. Finally, be patient and allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness. Stargazing is a journey of discovery. Don't be afraid to explore the night sky and uncover its hidden treasures. Remember, the universe is constantly changing and evolving. Each night offers a unique opportunity to witness celestial events and deepen your appreciation for the cosmos. So grab a blanket, find a dark spot, and let the stars guide your imagination.